Alright, I've pulled the spark plugs out of the ditch witch, and the forward cylinder is just totally buggered with carbon as far as the spark plug goes. The aft spark plug, second cylinder, looks pretty good. Alright, well, let's see if we can't go ahead and clean this one. Show you how it's done. Just takes a minute. Bring it in here to the vise, and what you need is propane or MAP gas. I'm going to use MAP gas. You can use propane though. I have a propane cylinder, but it's so cold that this one doesn't want to work right now, so we're going to use a MAP gas. We're going to ignite it, and I'm going to make it to where this anode gets hot. That's this portion right here that's coming over the top. And you'll just see that this is all going to just burn right off. Alright, so the anode's getting hot, and we're just waiting for this thing to turn nice and white, and it's cleaning off the cathode as well. I got the MAP gas turned up pretty high, but once again, it's going to take about 1 minute. You can see that porcelain is now all white. That's really good. That's just cleaning all that carbon out of there. Just using MAP gas or propane will work as well. Like I say, we're just going to work it for about a minute. My MAP gas doesn't like turned on its side. Well, that's looking pretty good. And then I just use a wire brush and just kind of get it all off the top of it, off the sides. That's cleaned out that entire spark plug, both cathode and anode, nice and clean. I'm going to go ahead and just hit it with just a quick sanding, just a little bit there. And you could use a finer grade of sandpaper if you'd like. I'm actually going to use a couple of them here. Use that. Just kind of hitting the cathode and the anode right there where the spark gap is. And this is 1500 sandpaper. I'm just going to shine it up a bit, really. It makes it all very clean. So, if you remember what it looked like before compared to now, huge difference. Let's go reinstall this sucker. Make sure this thing is now operating properly. Alright, all installed. Let's go ahead and fire it up. See how it sounds. Ooh, yeah. Had to use a choke there. It's kind of cold out. Actually, maybe you can see the snowflakes, but that sounds great. That worked really well. 1 minute using MAP gas or propane torch. Just clean the carbon off of your spark plugs. Stop all that missing immediately. Works every time. I'm Chris with Atlantic Drain. Be sure to subscribe for more how-to videos right here on Atlantic Drain. And thanks for watching.